Hey everybody, Shu here. I just received a neat little box in the mail today. It's made by Tilson and it's called All-In Box. It is a multi-charger for the GoPro Hero 10 and 9. So we're going to open the box and see what all comes with this. Alright, so in the box you get the multi-charger. Neat little thing. You get after sales and service instructions. Okay. And you also get a USB-A to USB-C adapter, and supposed to get, oh, there we go, and you get 3 free batteries for GoPro. So it's for Hero 10/9. Now, you're supposed to be able to use the USB cable. Plugs into the back of this. There we go. And you can plug this into your computer, where you can put your micro SD card in here, and you can download off your micro SD card onto your computer while you're using your other card. Plus you can also store 2 more cards up here. It's pretty cool. You can also use a power bank and plug this into a power bank and it'll light up, and it's supposed to start charging. There we go, we got 1 light on. We only have 1 light. Nope, 2 lights. 3 light. Well, they only seem to, last one only seems to work if you push on it. Let's see what happens when you close the lid. When you close the lid, the second one stops. This is odd. Huh. So apparently it doesn't hold the batteries good. See if I can get you a good view here. It only seems to work if you push the batteries hard. Alrighty, GoPro 10. Now that one plugs right in there and holds. You can actually feel it locking into place. This battery, when you put it in there, it has no grab at all. Let's put the GoPro in the middle one. As soon as you drop it in there, it works. So these batteries that they sent don't work. Alrighty, well, what good is a charger that doesn't charge? Alrighty, now it says it has a high-speed 3.0 USB for quick data transfer. So I'm going to get my little SD card, put it into the unit, and going to plug it into the 3.0 port on a computer. See how fast it'll transfer information. I've got a lot of photos on that. Let's see. 96.4 megabytes are on that card. Let's see how long it takes to transfer those and start. That was pretty quick. It's already done. So the transfer rate is pretty quick with photos. I'm going to put a couple little video clips on here. We'll see how fast the transfer rate is with videos. Alrighty. Now we're going to try the 1 gig of video. And we're going to see how long it takes for 1 gig to transfer over, which is actually 0.98 gigabytes. So we're going to start transfer now. Transfer rate seems to be pretty quick. It's transferring approximately 17 megabytes per second. And it's done. So the transfer rate on this is actually pretty good. It's not super high speed, but it is pretty quick. But it's the whole charging issue. You have to push down on these things. Right now, that middle one is actually holding. Oh, I shouldn't have messed with it. There we go. But you have to keep messing with these things to get them to stay on, and you shouldn't have to do that. But looks like this is going to be going back. So let's see what they do. I definitely want to get another one of these because it is pretty handy. So it does look like it would be pretty good. I do want to get another one. It's supposed to be waterproof. I don't see how you can achieve waterproof because there's no actual seal on this. Plus the USB doesn't actually have a seal anywhere. But rain resistant, possibly. I mean, it does have a good grip, so you do have to push that button to open it. Springs open a little. Transfer rate's pretty nice, but I guess I'm gonna have to get a hold of them and see about these batteries here. And I'll leave in the comments below what they say or do, what the final verdict is. So stay tuned, stand by. Hope this helps. Alrighty, we just got the replacement Tilson all-in box Hero 910 battery charger. So we're gonna open this up. The last one didn't do too good, so we're going to see how this one works. And here we go again. Let's see if this one's any better. Same instructions as the last one. Same as before. Everything is exactly identical. Except for on this one, when you press to open. Now, the other one, if you remember, when you push to open, you push this, it popped open. This one, you actually have to pull it open. And again, we have the 3 batteries. These actually feel like they're grabbing a lot better. 10, 10, and 10. And then further in the box, you have the USB-C cable. You can tell we have power. The power indicator light. Alrighty. Now we're going to push the batteries in. Since we have the power indicator light on, that the charger is ready. We're going to push them in one at a time. And we have the red indicator light showing that each battery is charging. So far it is doing better than the last charger did. So we're just going to let it charge and see if it charges up. Alrighty, it took a little while for it to charge. My external battery pack was at 100%. Now it's down to 84%, but all three lights are totally green now. So I'm pretty sure this is going to actually work out good this time. You can touch the batteries, you can move the batteries, and the lights don't flicker like the other one did. So this looks like it's going to work this time. So I'm going to see what the life of these batteries are, because this weekend we're going to the New Jersey Governor's Cup boat races, and we're going to be testing these batteries in this GoPro camera. So we're going to see how long these will last. But as far as this little charger here goes, this is great because now this can be carried anywhere, and you can attach it to your backpack. It's compact. It says that it's waterproof, but I would not believe that. But as far as what it is, as a 3 battery charger, this is really nice. Now as far as the directions go, depending on what you read on this, if you read the little manual, it tells you not to plug this up to anything stronger than a 2 amp 5 volt 2 amp charger. But if you read the back of this, it tells you to please use a 5 volt 2.4 amp USB charger. So if you try to plug this up to your computer to charge all 3 of these batteries in here, it would probably take forever for it to charge your batteries. So remember, you're going to need at least a 2.4 amp to actually charge these batteries. Or if you have one of these black webs, these are really nice because I use this for charging a lot of USB rechargeable items, cameras, cell phones, everything. I've actually got 2 of these that I carry in my camera bag. But hope you like this little mini review, and after this weekend I'll be able to tell you, and I'll put it right down there in the comments, exactly how long and how durable these little batteries are. So till next video, y'all stay safe out there, and hope to see y'all at the New Jersey Governor's Cup race.